Next.
Nalipay na hina ka.
5.
On time!
Correct.
Now!
Uphold.
Wrong.
Uphold.
Wrong.
Hold.
Wrong. 5.
Old.
Wrong. For today is Guess the Puzzle Part 2.
Yes!
Sige na.
First. 5.
I give up?
Correct.
Guys, puno-puno naman po diri guys.
Next.
Ito sila.
5. 4. 3. 2.
Three circle.
1. Wrong.
Big circle.
Wrong.
Ano ba na, oy?
Basa ha.
Di ba mabasa yan?
5.
Running.
4. 3.
Running ball.
2.
Running
1.
call.
Wrong.
Ring call. Running ball.
5.
Buda ka din ang bola.
4. 3.
Tribu.
Wrong. 5.
Running tree.
Wrong.
3
5.
rounds.
Wrong.
Grabe mo na kayo!
Magapoy man sa tunod sa anaw eh.
5.
Running in circles.
Correct.
Running.
Running in circles. Sharo. 5. 4.
Tricycle.
Correct.
Alalo mga sayo niya. Wala, mga inana pa lang iya. Wag yung madus mo iya.
Oh, sige oh. 5.
Tara.
4. 3.
Alphabet time.
Wrong.
Vertical time.
Wrong.
Time alphabet.
Wrong.
Tinuok ka.
Next. 5.
A, B, D.
4.
Time. In.
2. 1.
Time in.
Next. 5. 4. 3.
Time out.
Wrong.
Why?
5. 4.
Time.
2.
Read time.
Wrong.
Ano na ka nang nawagtak?
Alphabet and time.
Wrong.
Tay ng tuon.
Next.
Utang iya.
5. 4. 3.
Long time no see?
Correct.
Saya?
Ready. Next.
Di ba, magkakagay. Magkakagay ni.
Ano ay makuha na niya karon ha? Sayo na kayo ay awa.
5. 4. 3. 2. 1.
Old phone.
Old deluxe.
5. 4.
Uphold.
Wrong.
Uphold.
Wrong.
Hold.
Wrong. 5.
Old.
Wrong.
Ano pong? On hold.
Wrong. Next. 5.
Small
4.
circle. Small to big.
Wrong.
Bold ay bold.
Reload.
Wrong.
Awa, di ay gahapon.
5.
Old.
Wrong. Wrong.
Growing old.
Correct.
Growing.
Next. 5.
On time!
Correct.
Now!
Guys, kay bawo na mo nga di mi katubag.
Next. 5. 4.
Half cake.
Wrong.
Kick na lang to.
Next. 5. 4.
Slice cake.
Hapit na. Wrong.
Slice of cake.
Correct.
Pwede ka sa piece of
Slice
cake.
cake.
Next. 5. 4.
Pinengging ko sana. Uy!
3.
Baking.
2.
Bakinging?
1. Tuwang.
Backing. Up. Backing up. Backing up.
Correct. Next. 5.
Ay, ano?
3.
Grade age. Grade age. Grade age.
Correct. Ano? Wrong.
Grade age.
Wrong.
Uy. Sabi, uy. Rag age.
Middle age.
Correct.
Middle age lagi.
Sharo. 5. 4. 3.
Ha? Unsa na ya?
2.
Watermark!
Correct.